Welcome to Euron everyone and welcome to another series launch. So today I'm going to talk about a new series called as Big Data with AWS. So we have already created a four different big data bucket or big data series basically. So one is a core which is called as Big Data Masters. One is a big data with Azure. One is a big data with AWS, this one. And then another one is big data with a Databricks. Now, the purpose was very simple. Let's keep separate or let's try to separately tackle each and everything so that those who are targeting just big data with AWS, they will be able to get 100% understanding, knowledge, experience, each and everything just out of this big data with AWS. Those who are targeting just Azure, so with respect to Azure services, they can get 100% understanding and knowledge. And same goes with a Databricks and same goes with the big data core, which is nothing but a big data masters. Now, so in this big data with AWS, so we are going to talk about obviously a core big data principles. We are going to use it, but along with that, so majorly we will be focusing on all kind of AWS services that we are generally going to use inside a big data system design. So keeping that in a mind, this entire syllabus has been prepared. So if you are going to go ahead with this entire syllabus, you will be able to find out that in a very detail, very depth, this syllabus has been created and we are not going to leave, especially I'm not going to leave anything unturned inside this syllabus. Whatever is required for you to learn a big data, each and everything will be available inside this particular one. And again, so you can just go and check. We are reflecting the exact same thing even inside a syllabus, right? Even inside a syllabus, you will be able to see a very clear and crisp reflection about this one. So, and again, yeah, so I'm going to deliver this entire lecture, so don't worry about it. So you are in a secure hand, by the way. Plus, we are not charging anything extra. Everything is a part of Euron plus 299 only per month. And if you are going to take a yearly plan, you will end up getting some discount. A little bit of discount you all will be able to get. And again, if you're from outside India, in that case, it is going to cost you $10 per month. And yeah, you can even go ahead with the yearly plan if you want. That's completely fine. And we are not just offering you the courses. Apart from that, resume, job, Yuri, Avni, many things you can go and explore, and you are going to love it because this system has been designed keeping all my students, all the professionals in a mind. And obviously these systems are going to help you out a lot and lot. With that, thank you so much everyone. Take care and see you again in my next video.